Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you two winnings, one from Sammy Jo and also one from Vicky, which is Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. Now I won their giveaway last week. I won them both in one day, so I was super happy. So anyway, they arrived. Now the one that was in the bigger envelope, it didn't have no name on it, so I didn't know basically who it was from. So I opened it, looked at the card, and it was from Sammy Jo. To be honest, I didn't really look what I'd got. I mean, I know I won 5 glitters and 5 acrylics from LJOLUSESI, and then there's another little package that Sammy Jo has put in some little extras, which I think is super cute. So thank you so much. In my bedroom is so cold, I had the window open. It's freezing in here. Okay, it's the most wonderful time of the year. How cute is that? Les, congratulations on winning another one of my giveaways. Enjoy everything. It's such a fab bundle from LJOLUSESI Glitters. Lots of love, Sammy Jo. Now I won her giveaway before. I won lots of her glitters and some nail art bits, and so that's nice. I do love me a Christmas card, so thank you very much. Shall I show? Let's do the winnings. Let's do the winnings. Okay. So, all pretty. Okay. Okay. Shall I zoom you in? It's a bit better. So LJOLUSESI glitters. This is 8 grams. It's a beautiful gold. I think it's just, yeah, it's just a fine glitter. Very pretty. And then we have LJOLUSESI glitters Ferrero Rocher. This is a gold, and all I can see, my eyesight's so bad. It's like a red, I think it's a red and gold. It's pretty. So this one is more of a gold. That is like, when I say bronze is more, I don't know, like browny, but it's not a brown. It's a gold, it's a different shade of gold. There you go. And then this one has no name, so it's just 2 grams on it. That's a beautiful green. On camera that looks blue, but it's definitely a green. And again, this is a fine glitter. And then we have Moonlight. This is like a light blue, and then it has different coloured glitters in it. Pretty. I will swatch them because I've got some acrylics as well, so we need to see those. And then this one, it just says chunky, which is 1 gram. So there's a fine iridescent, it's like a really light pink, and then some small hexagons and some larger hexagons in all different colours. which is very, very pretty. Now onto the acrylics. I mean, we're not going to be able to, let me do these in numbered order. Here we go. Not really going to see what they are until it's swatched, but this is number 1. I see a pink and I can see red. But I can't see much, so these will have to be swatched. I think I see a gold. Oh, this is number 2. I can't see much. We'll have to swatch. Number 4. This looks like it's going to be a pink, maybe. Yeah. It's a pink. That's what I see. I can't see what it is. Really don't know. Look what that's coming off. We'll put them in pots anyway. And then Lily's Special. I think I can see red and blue. Yeah, I can see red and blue glitter. Okay. I will have to swatch that. Let me zoom back out. Okay, now onto this. These were extras, because like I say, I was only supposed to be winning the 5 glitters and 5 acrylics. Super pumped. So I have some striping tapes, so yeah, I should have zoomed in it. We have a silver and a gold and a blue and then a glittery pink and a green. I have so much striping tape now, it is unreal. And then some foil. I actually have this one. Oh, fuck's sake. Where's my scissors? Oh, they're well sharp, aren't they? Bloody rubbish. Okay, so there's this. Cute, also a butterfly on it. Some flowers, some foliage, and some butterflies. Oh. And there is some space. Galaxy, whatever you want to call it. Oh, let's come off there maybe. That's pretty. Thank you so much. Okay, and then some netting. I actually got some of this. I can't remember the colour. It's really bad, isn't it? I got some from Smiley's in my advent calendar. Oh, Oh, there's all different ones. Yeah, I got this one. I think I got this one, a red and silver. Very pretty. Oh, these are so Christmassy, aren't they? And then there is yellow and green. So pretty. And then there is a white and gold. I really like that. And then we have a yellow and red. That's really, really pretty. And then we have a gold and silver. I love them. Thank you very much. Oops. Thank you so, so much. And then we have water decal. Dior. Look at that here. Cute. Oh, okay. And then these stickers. They're very pretty. Oh, wrong way around. There you go. And then yeah, I'm gonna see that against my white cloth. Some flowers. Very cute. And then snowman. I think this is from Charlie's. I think I have it. I'm quite sure. But very, very cute. Thank you so much. Oh. Some more foil. This one's super pretty. It's gold and then it's got them stars. Gorgeous. And then there is another one. Oh God, they're all more stars. Oops. I have a folder that I will put those in. I'll just keep it there. Okay, now we've got these packets. Oops. I won't get them out because it's just going to take me forever. There's these beautiful flowers. Silver, green, like a fuchsia pink, purple, blue, gold. Very pretty. And then some Fimo slices. There's flowers, some swirls, butterflies, cupcakes. They're really, really pretty. I like those. And then some, well, look how holographic they are. So there's some holographic snowmen, should I say. Some iridescent ones in there as well. And there's some snowflakes, and then some pink pearlescent, I would say, 3D stars. Also there's some purple 3D stars. And there's some blue ones. How very pretty. Thank you so much. And then we have some bling. They're different sizes, yeah. AB crystal. I love these because they all go on. They're stuck together. Okay. Yeah, they will go on any design. Yeah, they're the clear ones. Very, very pretty. Oops. And then lastly, there's some bling. There's some cuff things. There's some bows. There's even some coloured rhinestones. Some silver studs. There's a star. See some diamonds. There's a lot of goodness in there. So thank you very, very much for those. Right, I think I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it here because it's 16 minutes. Yeah, I'll have to do Vicky's in a separate video. I did want to do them together, but I took too long. And I'll do a separate video on swatching the LLKKJ glitters and the acrylics. Okay, I just want to say a massive thank you to Sammy Jo for letting me win. It was on a random thing, but I'm very grateful, and thank you so much for adding in the extras. That was so sweet of you, and I absolutely love them glitters. I can't wait to swatch these acrylics because I can't see what they're like. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, thank you so much, Sammy Jo. Much appreciated. Take care, everyone, and you shall see me in my next video. Bye bye.